just work at least in a proper time, which means at least you can take like a significant writing of 2 hours, then you can take some break.
The question that I want to ask you is like, what tips will you like to give to a PhD student who wishes to improve the quality of his or her thesis, PhD thesis?
Thesis, of course. Sir, first of all, I would like that a PhD scholar should also read before writing the thesis, that when the research is done, when he's okay with the publication, first of all, he should go to oatt.org.
Okay.
This is a website where he could download all the thesis. Okay, where he can find some free thesis so that he should understand what is the pattern of writing and what are the pros and cons of that thesis. Okay, so that when he start writing, he should not miss the important points. The second thing is what we recommend to the PhD scholars, that don't start with introduction part. Don't start. First of all, start with your own contribution, that what is the, you can say methodology part, and what is your experimentation, and what exactly is the analysis part, which is actually is the main heart, which is going to be checked first of all. So you have to be very careful for that. But 90% people, what they do, okay, let's start from introduction. I'm not connected to introduction. I know what is sensor network. I will not. Maybe, sir, let me tell you very openly, when I get the thesis, I have already told you in the last video, when I get the thesis, sometimes I even avoid to read the introduction part. Sometimes I avoid because I want to read the contribution part. So the first step is that first of all, download the thesis and try to see what is the structure of the thesis so that technical flow should be perfectly done. Secondly, start with your own contribution of the work. Elaborate your models, elaborate your results, elaborate your proposed methodology in terms of architecture, flowchart, algorithm, whatever you have done properly. Stress on your results, stress on analysis, then come towards your literature review. Okay, because you have to set your references and other things. Literature review is very important part, and try to capture as much as latest references that you can do. If you can refer current year, or you can refer from the last year. If I'm writing the thesis in 2021, maybe in April 2021, I should try that I can get some of the good papers by August 2020. That depends on that. Okay, if the paper is significantly relevant. Last but not the least, you should get your thesis at least, I'm saying you, time to time, you should check chapter wise what is the plagiarism score, because it's a request that if you are going for the thesis, the plagiarism should be less than 10%. It is recommended. So your proposed work should never get a plagiarism which is more than 5%, which is very important. Then time to time check your thesis, time to time get your guide that, okay, sir, I have written this, because if your guide is cooperative, then he must check chapter by chapter, so that if there is any problem, he can point out the solutions. And of course, which is very important, in introduction part, you must highlight what is the baseline of the study, what is the problem definition, the scope, the research gaps. Everything has to be written in a proper sequence. And even there are some books also that is tips to write better thesis, how to write a PhD thesis, or how to write the PhD research proposals or other things. So you can read that. So you can take some references. And of course, don't hurry, and be calm when you're writing the thesis. And at least, I don't say that, okay, when you're writing the thesis, work for 6 hours or 7 hours, just work at least in a proper time, which means at least you can take like a significant writing of 2 hours, then you can take some break and you can write something in evening, but don't pounce that you have to complete that thesis. Okay. And it is also my request that before you submit the thesis to the university, take your thesis to some of the renowned expert. You can even ask some help. That some of the students even ask my help that, sir, this is the thesis and can you see the structure? Then I even give them some important points. So you can take some points, and of course, you can ask your guide and then you can submit. But PhD thesis should be mostly stressed towards your own contribution work, which is very important.
That's great. That's great. So thank you so much for this tips, sir. Thank you so much.